danger, kill the idiot in front of you, or you will die as an idiot. At yung kriminal, malayang must have the satisfaction of doing his thing.
Okay. Yun po ba, as a lawyer, yun po yung inyong alam tungkol doon sa elements ng self-defense?
Ibang ano ma'am, performance of duty, yung self-defense, elements of self-defense, kasali yan doon sa, it also at favors the policeman or soldier. Isa lang